Final trading day of May might see some more positioning. Jim, what have been your thoughts as we've put something together this last week?
Bull market within a bear market. Last week was extraordinary, plus 6%. There was so much that was good. We saw a lot of companies report. People told us they were disappointing, and then the stocks went up. So the people who said it was disappointing are missing the point, which is that some stocks have come down so much that they actually are ready to be able to handle what people think are disappointment. Yeah, it's price target cut, price target, but we're no longer there. If you have China or Russia, people are asterisking it. They're saying, don't worry about it. And I think they feel even more strongly, David, when they see this morning that there are some easing of lockdowns.
Yes, not unimportant. We all talked a great deal about the impact that's had on the Chinese economy, not to mention supply chain disruptions that have been worsened as a result. Right. The question will become how quickly can things really recover? And, you know, you have a population that's ready for the next potential lockdown as well, may still be somewhat reluctant to sort of fully participate and or get right back out there when it comes to those lockdowns.
Well, I got some feedback this week from someone who was saying, who's over there, an executive, who said, you know what, Jim, your whole rap is that they could be using Western medicine, everything fine. But how about if they stop COVID? How about if COVID's dead there? That's actually pretty amazing. I came back and said it's kind of like a whack-a-mole thing. It just keeps pointing up. But I do think that what I saw from Unisoon this morning is not a country that's open. It's a country that people are getting around. But I don't know. It may be reports of opening are exaggerated.
They are going to, at least in Shanghai, where it's been the locus of the shutdown, they're going to open some schools starting on June 2nd, later on this week. Foxconn today, Jim, sees a more stable supply chain in the second half. So we're putting some pieces together.
Yeah, that would be good. I mean, a lot of the companies, like you take NVIDIA last week, they make things there, they sell things there, and nothing happened. They sold no cars. You're not selling any cars over there, but you know, people can't stay away. David, they can't stay away from these Chinese stocks. They say, you know what, I am committed to losing money because it doesn't matter. It's just all big game. I don't play that game.
I know, but if you trade them, and you could trade them potentially quite well if you're ready to short them and or sell them and then buy them back. I mean, Alibaba's had a huge move in the less than last week. It had a positive response to its earnings, even though they were, in terms of growth or lack thereof, not good. Compared to the history of the company, but compared to what had been the expectations, they were much better. So, I mean, that stock has moved a lot, Jim. But that does not mean, to your point, that it's made up anywhere near.
No, it's just
you know, if you go back any length of time, that 17 or 18, almost 18% move is a significant one. But go back 2 years and take a look at what Alibaba's done. This one's had a $700 billion market value. Still less than half that.
Do they? I mean, I keep thinking. In our country, during the shutdown, Amazon would deliver product endlessly. Do they deliver product during that period?
I think it's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Right?
It's hard. Yeah.
Yeah. Hard rain.
Hard rain.
Hard rain.
I mean, when Eunice will do her live shots in Beijing, you will see bicycle guys out there behind her. Yeah. That's about it. Now things have picked up. You can actually judge to a certain extent where the lockdowns stand by watching Eunice's live shot. Now, she does it in Beijing. But on Friday, there were a lot more people around.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.